Hey folks, so this was not going to be a talking video, but I think for this part I actually need to talk a little bit. This is not going to be a how-to when it comes to the replacement of the halogen lights with the LED lights. I bought some lights, I'll install them, I'll replace the halogen bulbs, and if I run into any issues then I'll mention it later in the video, but it's not going to be a how-to. There's a billion other videos out there about replacing the halogen bulbs with the LED bulbs. Like I mentioned in a previous video, I do plan to change the fixtures out later on. But right now, I'm just replacing the halogen bulbs with LED bulbs. And I'll leave links to all this in the description of the video. This is the brand I decided to go with for the headlights. They seem to have gotten pretty good reviews from the people who installed these, and I can't remember off the top of my head how much they were, but like I said, they're the H13 9008. So like I said, I'll leave links to all these in the description, but we can take a quick look here, see what they look like. Pretty big bulbs. I know a lot of people have mentioned that they need to go in a specific way. This LED here needs to go toward the bottom. There's the fans. So I probably won't do this till this weekend. I think the weather's supposed to be nice. So for now, we'll just take a quick peek at them and see what they're all about. These here are for the turn signals in the fender. There's a specific name for them. I can't remember. But anyhow, they glow the cool white, and then when you turn your turn signal on, they glow the amber color. So they've got the diodes built into them, so that shouldn't be an issue. Hang on a second. You'll have to forgive me, I've got a horrible cold, so I'm coughing like crazy, so I may have to stop every once in a while. But anyhow, these are called switchback bulbs, that's what they're called. Like I said, they'll glow the cool white, and then when you turn your turn signal on, they'll glow amber. And like I said, they have the diodes built into them, so it shouldn't be a problem. Now I do have a taser that I had with my previous Gladiator, so if I run into any problems with the LEDs later on, I'm already good to go there. These lights here are the fog lights replacements. Again, this is one that a lot of people seem to use and didn't have any issues with them. So that's them. They do go in a specific way. To get them out, you gotta squeeze the top and bottom, just pull them out, put these in, plug them in, should be good to go. And as I mentioned, I will leave links to all of these in the description. And then these last two, they should be the same. They're just the replacements for the DRLs in the fenders and the reverse lights in the back. So all these four here are the same. So you kind of see what they look like. And all these are a lot bigger than what I thought they would be. So that's what those look like. So like I said, hopefully this weekend I'll get around to doing this. Shouldn't take long. I'm not going to do the how-to because like I said, there's a ton of other videos already floating around about replacing these bulbs. but I'll let you know the results, if I have any issues with them, and then what steps I take to correct it. So that's the plan. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll bring you guys back to this probably this weekend. I'll talk to you all later. Just one note, when you go to install these, that bottom LED, that LED right here, you want down at the bottom of your housing. So the LED goes in straight, and that most forward LED is at the bottom. So as you can see, you got little screws on them that you can loosen and adjust the housing to keep your LED straight. So it's going to go in just like that. So after it locks in, you want it straight up and down with that most forward LED at the bottom. Okay, I'll bring you guys back in a bit. Alright, so I don't want to get you directly in the sunlight. The sun's going down. If I move around the side here, you're going to get right in the sun. But I went ahead and did the headlights and the fog lights. No surprises. Whole process from start to end probably took 25 minutes, you know, very easy. No issues yet. I'm going to do the DRL and the turn signal tomorrow after work. And I actually don't expect them to take as long as it took for the headlights and stuff. But even in the broad daylight, you can see the difference with the LEDs as opposed to the halogens. So tomorrow, like I said, I'll do the fender lights and the reverse light, and I'll bring you guys back and let you know how it goes. I'll talk to you later. Alright, as you can see, I got the DRLs in and the blinkers. Everything seems to be functioning as it should. No fast blinker in here on the dash. Nope. Turn the hazards off. Turn signal on. No fast blink. So yeah, everything seems to be working fine. DRLs are working nice and bright. I'm going to go ahead and do the reverse lights, which I won't be able to show you them. Can't put it in reverse and film at the same time. But I'm going to wrap this one up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And thanks for watching the video. And please be sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later.